Professional locksmith tips to secure your property. Your home is your sanctuary. Would you feel comfortable wondering if your home is not fully secured? Of course not, because you deserve peace of mind. The top 5 low-cost things that you can do to better secure your home. Number 1. Install an alarm system. Alarms offer unsurpassed peace of mind and security. Besides the sound of a squealing alarm, many alarm systems also contact local authorities when there is a breach in the system. Number 2. Get a dog. Statistics prove that dogs are one of the most effective things that a homeowner can do to deter criminals from breaking into a home. Number 3. Install motion detection lights. Motion detection lights will not only startle a potential intruder, but they prevent them from hiding in dark places around your home. Secure your windows. Ensure that your home's windows are secured with window pins or install new windows entirely. Install new locks. When it comes right down to it, the strength of the lock is what is going to stop a criminal from entering your home. Local locksmiths like us here at Prestige Locksmith specialize in installing locks so that you can feel rest assured knowing that you are safe. What is your family's safety worth? What about your peace of mind? Taking a few low-cost measures ensures both. www.sandiegocitylocksmith.com